The power of daily habits. Small habits can make a big difference in our lives. Every day, we do many simple things without thinking. These small actions may seem unimportant, but they slowly shape who we are. For example, reading a few pages, drinking enough water, or going for a short walk can improve our health and mind. Good habits take time to build, but once they become part of our routine, they can help us live a better life. The key is to start small and stay consistent. Many people want big changes in a short time, but real progress happens slowly. When we try to do too much at once, we often feel tired and give up. Instead, it is better to focus on one small habit at a time. For example, you can start by learning 5 new words every day. It may not seem like much, but after a month, you will know many new words. Small steps are easier to follow and help build confidence. Daily habits also help us build discipline. Discipline means doing something even when we don't feel like it. There are days when we feel tired or lazy, but if we continue our habits, we become stronger. Over time, these habits become automatic. We no longer need to force ourselves. This is how successful people grow. They don't rely only on motivation, but on consistent daily actions. Another important part of building habits is patience. Results do not appear overnight. Sometimes we may feel like nothing is changing, but in reality, progress is happening quietly. Just like planting a seed, we need time before we see growth. If we stay patient and keep going, we will see results. Trust the process and believe in yourself. In the end, daily habits shape our future. What we do every day is more important than what we do once in a while. If we choose good habits, we can build a better life step by step. It is never too late to start. Begin with one small change today, and keep going. Your future self will thank you for the effort you make now.